Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy, creamy cucumber salad. You guys love my recipe for classic cucumber salad. Today I'm showing you an easy, creamy version that you'll love just as much. We'll start by prepping our ingredients. You'll want to mince up some fresh dill. You'll need about 2 tablespoons. Then you'll want to thinly slice 2 English cucumbers, and I'm using a mandoline so that I can get a super thin slice. I recommend using English cucumbers for this because they have more flavor and less seeds, which make them perfect for a cucumber salad. But you can also use American cucumbers if you'd like. You may just need to use a few extra. You'll also want to thinly slice 1 red onion. Once you're done, you'll have a nice pile of cucumbers and onions, and we can set those aside. Next, grab a serving bowl because we're gonna make our sauce right inside. You'll need half a cup of sour cream, and I like to use the real deal, not any of that low-fat business. Add in your chopped dill, about 4 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of distilled white vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of sugar to balance the acidity. And then whisk this all together. Then we'll grab our veggies and slide them on in. All that's left to do is stir these together until everything is well coated with the sauce. And then you, my friends, are ready to eat. If you'd like to serve this up chilled, you can leave it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours, or you can eat it right away. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later. Did you catch that I switched things to a different bowl so you could see it better?